So this is question 6 from the Sickles Invitational Precalc Individual. So it says a man is standing 72.5 feet from a tower that has a height of h feet. He notices that the angle of elevation at the top of the tower is 74 pi degrees over 5. So we can start drawing our triangle that we have because we draw a straight line down, which is our height. We draw a line that is perpendicular to it where he's standing, which is 72.5 feet for his distance. And then we have his line of sight. Which is like if you're standing and you're looking up, that's just your line of sight to the top of the tower. And when it says angle of elevation, that actually just means the angle between the horizontal side and the line of sight, which we determined is right here. So when we place that angle, our angle is going to be 74 pi degrees over 5. This is actually in degrees and not radians, because despite the fact that there's pi there, so we need to approximate pi. And when you approximate pi to about 3.14, let's say, and then you divide by 5, you would get an answer that is about 46.472 degrees. And so when we have an angle, we have an opposite side we need to find, and we have an adjacent side that we have. We're going to use tangent because of opposite over adjacent. So tangent of 46.472 is equal to h, which is our opposite, over our adjacent, which is 72.5. So if we multiply by 72.5 to solve for h, we would get 72.5 times tangent of 46.472, which equals our height. Now we can't exactly evaluate tangent of 46, but what we can do is think about if it increases or decreases or is just exactly 1, because it's just asking for up here, it's just asking for a general idea. And so when we think about what tangent is, which is sine over cosine, sine is just increasing, so our numerator is increasing, because sine, as it goes this way in the unit circle up until 90 degrees, it goes up. And our denominator, cosine, up until it gets to 90 degrees, is going down. And so if you're dealing with fractions and your numerator is going up, it goes up. And when you're dealing with your denominator and your denominator goes down, then your overall calculation goes up. So overall, it's increasing on both kind of parts of it. So we're always just going to have a little greater than 1. So if 72.5 times whatever a little greater than 1 is, whatever it is, it will be greater than 72.5. And that would be your answer.